You've been diligently investing with Stashaway, watching your portfolio grow steadily. But then, you notice something strange: your account balance is dipping. Wait a minute, you think, I'm not selling anything. So, why is Stashaway taking your money? Let's break it down. 1. Management fees. Stashaway, like any investment platform, charges fees for managing your investments. These fees cover things like portfolio management. The experts at Stashaway constantly monitor market trends and rebalance your portfolio to optimize returns and minimize risk. Technology and infrastructure. They maintain the platform, ensure security, and provide you with the tools and resources to track your investments. These fees are typically a percentage of your total assets, which means they're deducted automatically. 2. Rebalancing costs. Remember how I mentioned portfolio rebalancing? This process involves buying and selling assets to maintain the desired asset allocation within your portfolio. For example, if your stock allocation has grown too large, Stashaway might sell some stocks and use the proceeds to buy more bonds. These buy and sell orders incur transaction costs, which can slightly impact your account balance. 3. Currency fluctuations. If you're investing in international markets, currency fluctuations can affect your returns. For instance, if the value of the US dollar weakens against your local currency, your investments denominated in USD will appear to lose value even if their underlying assets are performing well. 4. Dividends and distributions. Some investments, like stocks and certain funds, pay dividends or distributions to shareholders. While these payments increase your overall returns, they might not always be reinvested automatically. If you choose to receive dividends or distributions as cash, it will temporarily reduce your account balance. 5. Withdrawals and transfers. This one's pretty straightforward. If you've recently withdrawn funds from your Stashaway account or transferred money to another account, it will naturally reduce your balance. The specific reasons and amounts deducted will vary depending on your individual investment plan, the market conditions, and your own investment activity. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.